Just a quick video today on some of the local storm damage for April 2023 in the Morefield Cemetery in Hermitage, Pennsylvania. There were several large trees that were down. Many of those were resting on headstones. While walking through, taking the photos, it was obvious that most of the trees inside were already dead, as the trunks that remain are hollow without any actual tree pulp remaining. Thankfully, most of the headstones remained unharmed, but some were toppled over, and others had many branches that needed removed for cleanup efforts to restore the cemetery to its pre-storm condition. There was already a roll-off dumpster at the location. It appeared that there were small branches and sticks placed in there in an effort to clean up the area. The cemetery has several stones that are well into the 1700s that fortunately are still standing, and the trees have fallen around them. I couldn't help but wonder, as I walked through taking the photographs, how many of the other trees that were remaining had insides that could also be hollow, posing the risk to fall as well. As you can see, some of the trees were actually uprooted, and the entire tree has fallen to the ground. The fallen trees were not isolated to a particular part of the cemetery and could be seen at various sections of the property. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos of Mercer County and the surrounding communities.